Come. Starting class, please. When the physics numericals I'm teaching, okay? One time check sound quality working. Can you hear me? Now look at it. Physics numericals I'm going to teach. Get ready for it. See, the first question is a concave mirror. First mirror numericals we will start one by one. Mirror numericals will be exactly based on the formula. What in all formulas are there? First formula is now look here. If somebody will be asking you formulas, how you are going to solve the questions and radius of curvature is 2 times of focal length. Understood? 2L. Radius of curvature is 2 times of focal length. This is first thing. Radius of curvature is how many types of focal length? 2 types of focal length. Good morning, Sophia. Everybody please join. Radius of curvature is 2 types of focal length. This is first information. Second information is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is another formula. Now for magnification is equal to minus v by or height of image by height of object. So these are for mirror. Okay. So now what we are going to do, Sophia, good morning, Viram. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. So this is exactly the formula with the help of which we are going to solve questions. Okay. Now first thing. First question, right? A concave mirror. I'm writing the question. One by one we will do. So based on this formula, how we are going to solve the question. Now look here. A concave mirror of focal length. So just writing the question. Some system yesterday problem came, laptop problem came now. Just laptop, another laptop I started, but many questions and everything is in another laptop. Just to cover it as fast as possible, okay? Nearby HP person I need to take it. Now look here. A concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. A concave mirror, focal length 20 centimeter. My voice is not echoing, Navita. Vishwa, good morning, Vishwa. Physics numericals, Vishwa, please listen very carefully and solve. So it is exactly given that focal length is coming as 20 centimeter forms an image having twice the size of object. Now image size is 2 times of object size. Okay, image size is 2 times of object size. Good morning, madam. Image size is 2 times of object size. Next, from the virtual position of image, for the virtual position of the image, what is the object place? For virtual position of image, come to them first. For virtual position of image, what is object place? For virtual position of image, what is object place? This is the most important part. Come on, check this one out. Rajutam. Try to solve this question because what is the question given here is that a concave mirror is there. 100% concave mirror means converging. Concave mirror means converging. So beta, all the necessary informations we had now about concave mirror. Concave mirror means what beta? Converging. Second important point about concave mirror was focal length is exactly given as 20 centimeter. But beta, you know, this is the biggest clue. When this clue will be given now, this is the biggest and the most important. Understood? So this is the biggest and the most important clue. Why? Because object image size is equal to object size. Image size is equal to object size. So when image size is coming equal to object size, means height of image is 2 times of height of object. And with the next word they have given is virtual position. And we know that virtual position comes in only 2 locations. What in all are the locations where virtual position is coming? Can you tell? Only 2 locations virtual position is coming. The first is, what do you call? First is for convex mirror and second one is concave mirror when the object is kept between focus and pole. So this is exactly the most important. One more time, last time I am going to inform you all the necessary details in very short. Okay. See, the rules are very simple, just in simple and very less content I am going to explain you. First, mirror will be concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, shortest information. Mirror is exactly going to be concave and convex. So when we are using concave mirror is converging. Concave mirror is converging, convex mirror is diverging. Concave converging, convex diverging. So this is exactly the position of concave mirror and this is converging. We can understand this one nicely. Understood? So now here, this will be center of curvature, this will be focal length and this is focus and this will become principal. Sorry, pole. This is pole. This is principal axis. This axis is considered as what beta? Principal axis. Understood? The main line on which the lens is kept is called as principal axis. Okay. So now here 2-3 things are there. Remember very nicely. So all the position we are going to understand. Got it? But new sign convention rule has told something that sign convention rule we must be remembering. Any object is on top like this, it will be considered as positive. Any image formed down will be considered as negative. So in short, height of object above positive, below negative. Understood? This side in front negative, in back positive. So this is the sign convention. The sign convention is very clear. Up is positive, down is negative. Left is negative, right is positive. Left is negative and right is positive. So this is the sign convention. Understood or not? So now based on this sign convention only, we are going to solve all the questions. Understood or not? So now for mirror, rules are different. Understood? So concave mirror and convex mirror. Convex mirror, this is a concave mirror and in concave mirror, focus, curvature, everything will be in front of mirror. Understood not? But for convex mirror, if this is convex mirror, this is exactly going to be principal. So here, pole, focus and curvature is after. Understood not? So this is the biggest thing. Here it is converging, here it is diverging. Converging and diverging. So for concave mirror, 6 cases are there. How many cases are there? 6 cases are there. What and all are the 6 cases? 6 cases Already I taught a simple revision giving so that we can start numerical. So today lens also I am going to do. Okay. So lens, mirror, then electricity and magnetism. Slowly we are going to do that. Okay. So now look at that. 6 cases. First at infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at F, between F and P. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? So in all the 6 cases, when we are seeing the situation, the first thing is at infinity, object is obtained at focus. Highly diminished, point size object. Beyond focus. Understand or not? So we need to check this one. This is going to go beyond. It is at C. At C means object in this will be beyond. C and down. This is at C. Between C and F means it will go where? It will come inside. Understand or not? So here it will be going beyond. It will keep on going beyond. At F means infinity. Correct, na? Whenever object is at focus, it is going to be infinity. Between F and this will become virtual. Back of mirror. Understand? So virtual, but it will be obtained at back of mirror. So these are certain cases between C and F you will see. Okay. So between C and F means if an object is kept between C and F, it will come like this. Understand? Second one will come like this. It will come inside C and F. Correct? So what is beyond, it will start coming near and the size will exactly get enlarged. So these are some cases. Got it? Magnification, the more we will go near mirror, the magnification will increase. Understood? So here from magnification is negative when Chodam. I taught very nicely when magnification is negative. Magnification is negative when the object is exactly real and inverted image. Object image is obtained real and inverted. Again one more time revise and note down that magnification is negative when the image obtained is real and inverted. So image obtained is real and inverted is a case of magnification negative. Understood. So magnification is positive when, yes, virtual and erect. Magnification positive. So negative is symbolizing real and inverted. Positive is symbolizing virtual and erect. Till here everything is clear? You understood the concept? No problem there now. So now we will solve this question. Now what was our question here is, now let's focus into our question. Our question is this one. So now we have all the primary information about concave mirror. Here they are asking about Kritika, good morning. I'm seeing, watching all the people. You people have exams only. I'm not saying anything. But we have to have revision. Sample paper is there. Okay, once that exam is over, means another exam is coming. So sample paper also you need to be very ready. Okay, so now look at it. So concave mirror for length 20 centimeters. So focal length will be what? Minus 20 centimeters. After that, what they are telling? Image size is 2 times of object size. Understood? So here only magnification can help us. For virtual position of image, find the object place. 100%. That virtual position means the object will be exactly between. Where will be the object? Between focus and pole. Between focus and pole only the object is exactly what? Virtual and erect. Understood? So that is where it will come. That is whatever is the object distance will be less than focal length. Always remember, for virtual object distance, U should be less than F. Your object distance will be less than focal length. For virtual image, whenever virtual image will be there, object distance will be less than focal length. You remember this part, learn it very carefully. Understood or not? The length of object distance will be less than focal length. Length of object distance will be less than focal length. Again and again I am telling you, length of object distance will be less than focal length. This you remember very nicely. Got it? Now let us look here. Everyone, please pay attention and learn this nicely. Okay. So now what we are going to do? Height of image. So magnification formula is minus b by u, and this is hi by h naught. So here magnification part formula will become what? Height of, this is already given. Height of image is 2 times of height of object. So here what we are going to write? Minus b by u is equal to height of image is 2 times of height of object by height of object. This and this will get cancelled. We have to find image object place. So object place means they're telling for virtual position, everything you will be able to find. So minus b is equal to u. Now very nicely came beta, very early you came. So minus b is equal to 2u. Minus b is equal to 2u. So b is equal to minus 2u. What is b? Minus 2u. So we are going to substitute this one in mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Understood? 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. This is the mirror formula. So in mirror formula you are using, how you are exactly preparing Vishwa? 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Got it? So beta, what is 1 by u? We don't know, we are not going to test this one. But 1 by v formula is minus 1 by, that is 1 by 2u is equal to focal length is minus 1 by 20. So here how much will become? 2 will go and multiply, correct now? See, 1 by u if I am taking common, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 20. So 1 by u is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 20. So u is coming as 1 by u is equal to minus 2 by 20. So u is equal to minus 2. So v will be equal to, v is 2 times of u minus 20. Understood? But here minus of minus 20. Because 2u is there, na? So 2 less than 20. So v will be equal to 20. V is coming as positive, u is coming as negative. U is coming as negative, V is coming as positive. This is the most important thing. Please kindly note down. So what is the answer? Answer is 10 centimeter. Object distance is 10 centimeter. I hope you might have understood. So this is the way to solve the questions. Object distance is coming as how much beta? Did you understood everything? Nicely understood or not? Any doubt is there? You can ask the doubt. No problem at all. I am going to explain you. So please kindly ask the doubt. Whatever doubts are there, you ask. Is it ready, beta? Shall we go for next question? Okay. We'll start the next question. Write the next question. A man faces 25 centimeter. Write down. A man faces 25 centimeter. What is the size of the man face? A man faces 25 centimeter in front of a concave shaving. Good morning, beta. A man faces 25 centimeters. What is the face of man? Size of face of man? Man face is 25 centimeters. How much, beta? 25 centimeters in front of concave mirror. Hey, don't talk. Concave mirror. In front of concave mirror. Okay, 25 centimeter in front of concave mirror. This is the first part given. After that, what they are telling? They are telling that it is producing an erect image. Erect image. Erect image means virtual image. Virtual image is always supposed to be erect. Erect means same size. Understand not? Same height. Sorry, same but virtual. But real will be inverted. Virtual means same. So now what they are telling that it is producing erect image. No, I am taking for 10th only. To 11th and 12th I am taking maths, but for 10th I am taking maths and science board. So now look at it. What they are telling that it is going to make an erect, but erect position also we need to understand that only one location is there where it is going to be virtual and erect. And what is that location, beta? When the object is kept between focus and pole. Correct now? So same positioning question, nearly same positioning question they have asked. Now what we are going to do? Now check this one very nicely. What they have told that it is producing an erect image. Image is erect. Erect image, and it is telling that the erect image is 1.5 times the size of face. Erect image means height of image is 1.5 times the height of object. So with the height of image here is the face only, but it is 1.5 times larger than the actual face. Understood now? And the height of the object is the actual face. Understood now? Now, beta, what they are telling that you need to find that. Okay, focal length of the mirror will be what? A very simple question they have asked. What is the focal length? In this situation, what is the focal length? The face is given as 25 centimeter. So here, what in our preliminary? Good morning. So what in all preliminary informations are given, we are going to work according to that. First, our information. Hey, monkey. First, our information. And that information is what is U. U is given as minus 25 centimeter. Understood? Second is, what is F? We don't know. Focal length, we don't know. We have to find that. V, we also have to find it. Understood not? But one by one. So now here what information is given there. The height of image is height of image is how much times height of object? 1 by 5 times height of object. This is the given information. This is the given information. Now one small work we have to do, magnification. Magnification is equal to minus V by U, and magnification is height of image by height of object. So here, since the object is kept between focus and pole, the magnification will be positive. Remember this. I taught you in very simple part that magnification will be positive when the object is virtual and erect, and it is negative when the object is real and inverted. Understood? So now look at that. Here minus v by u is equal to, you already given now. What is your u given? U is minus 25. Correct? Now height of image is how many times height of object? 1.5 times height of object. Height of object. So height of object cancel. This and this got cancelled. What is coming B as? B is coming as 1.5 into 2 5. So this if you will cancel, what will come down? 10. So it is coming as B is equal to 3 by 2 into 2.5. Sorry, 25. But is it going to serve anything? It is exactly purposeless, stupid attempt. Understood now? Savan Sunny, I call your name. So now look at it, is purposeless and it is waste of time. So don't attempt this one. Got it? In exam, many students they are cancelling and do this and that work. Don't do directly multiply. Got it? So here it is coming how much? How much it is coming? 355 coming or not? Here, check 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 6. 2.5 is there, no? So 2 5 and 1 5. That's why 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 11. 12 will come. And then here 1 5 and 1 2. So it is coming as 3 7. Nicely you are saying. Now look at this much centimeter is coming. Got it? So this much centimeter is coming. Now focal length only finding is here. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by u. Check this one out. So now beta focal length will be what we don't know. But yes, object distance will be negative. But image distance is coming as positive. So we are going to write 1 by 37.5. Okay. So when you will be solving, hi Nikhil. So when you will be solving, now you need to solve it very particularly. Okay. See, we can do one thing, two things, whatever work is there, but 1 by b is this much, correct? So we can do one small work also. Application wise now, the ball is in your court. Means how you are going to solve is totally depends upon what work you are doing, correct now? So 7.5, 1.5, 2.5, whenever it is coming, the students are getting confused and they are doing mistakes. So that here when you are writing 1.5 into 25. After that, we did nothing, we just wrote 37.5. Understood? Now 37.5 this one will go, it will become 10. Correct? So now 375 is coming. So now what you will do? You will directly multiply this one, it will come minus 375 plus 250 by 25 into 375. Is it okay? Correct? So after that 1 by f is coming. So now minus 375 and 250 beta 5. 7 minus 5 will become 2 and this is minus 125. So 1 by f is equal to minus 125 by 25 into 375. Now f will be equal to 25 into 375 by 125. I hope slowly is over from here on. Got it? Because here 5 5s are 25, here it is 25, here it is going as 5. Now here 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 75. So focal length is coming as minus 75. That's it, studio. So minus 75 centimeter. So this is a way to solve and proceed with the question. Understood or not? So whenever they will be asking questions, we must be ready to solve like this. So basics and important points are there with you, means you will be able to solve questions like this. I hope you might have understood here. Ritam, did you got it? Now, beta, one simple question I am giving you. Try to solve this question. Huh? Simple questions first we have started. See, they will not ask. See, one question I'm asking from all of you. I think my most of the students they are having examinations, so they are not attending today class online. Online students, but who are there? Can you answer me one question? Everyone, please answer one question here that okay, if just understand if I keep changing the object location, will the focal length change? Will the focal length and the radius of curvature changes if I keep changing the object location? In front of a concave mirror, I keep changing the object location. Will change in object location will change the focal length. What could be the answer? Will change in focal length will change in object distance will change the focal length. Everyone think very nicely. After that is, I'm giving you time. Please think. Only one person has given answer no. That is Yashvit has told that answer is no. Huh? Only Yashvit has told that answer is no, but yes, rest all the children are telling that the answer is yes, but the correct answer is no only. Understood? Yes. Please pay attention. Yes means here answer is no. Got it? Why beta? Because focal length it's a type of setup. You need to understand. It's a setup. Setup means the mirror length. That is the aperture. The aperture in everything is fixed beta. This is exactly called as aperture. And based on this aperture only, you will be getting a curvature on that is center of curvature and focus. Understood now? Now this is a setup. This is a fixed setup. It's not like mirror what you are using in your house. If you are exactly going to different location, the mirror is changing. Is the mirror size in your house changing when you are moving here and there? No, because that's a setup. That's a setup. Understood now? So that in the same way, you just imagine that whenever you will go front at any part in front of the mirror, that is concave mirror I'm talking about, your concave convex you are talking about, it's a setup. So it will not at all change. Did you got my point? I hope everybody understood this one. So what is the correct answer here? Will the setup changes? No. So that means focal length remains the same. Quickly note down. Change in object location only change the image size, right? Change in object location only changes the image size. Note down. Change in object location only changes the image size. Change in object location only changes the image size. Understood? But the focal length remains the same. The focal length remains the same. But the focal length remains the same. So that means we are very certain about that focal length will not at all change. So the focal length remains the same beta. Is it clear, crystal clear that what remains same and what is exactly going to change? So this is the first part beta. Understood? Yesterday we had lots of turbulence, but today I am not having any turbulence. Mostly I will go and see school. After that I will return back to this from you are here only today, no? Okay. They'll be checking everything, okay? So now look here, that questions, Yashvit has said some questions yesterday. Yes, so that's that question also one time finished. If any doubt is there, means ask me. Okay, Yashvit, you can also ask me doubts there in the group. So now look here, Vita. Just take the photo and send me in the group. I will solve the question. Okay, and send it. Now listen, Vita. Next part question. Anytime you can ask me questions. Till I'm in school, I won't be able to communicate with you. But once I'll be out of school, means I'll 100% be contacting you and solving it for you. So feel free to ask questions today, full day, and whatever doubts are there, ask biology, physics, chemistry doubts, whatever questions are there. Okay. Now, the next question is right there. The real image, right now, the real image. The real image comma, is 1 by 5th the size of the object. The real image is 1 by 5th the size of object. The real image, see, what word you have heard here? Real image, beta. Real image means it is not erect. It is not virtual and erect. It is real and inverted. So 100% how many locations are there where it is real and inverted? At curvature, understood not? At focus, where and all locations, 5 locations it is going to be real and inverted. Only one location will be there where it is virtual and erect. And that location is what, beta? That location is between F and P. Understood? So here that means it can be any answer for us. Got it? Now beta, here another important checkpoint point they have given. The real image is 1 by 5th the size of object. So that means what? Remember, what question is given in physics means numericals, everything will be exactly answerable. Understand not? Just wait, I'll explain everything. First I write the question, Vijaya. After that, you are going to solve it better. So the real image is 1 by 5th of the size of object and is formed in distance of the real image is 1 by 5th the size of object is formed at a distance of is formed at a distance of 18 centimeter is formed at a distance of 18 centimeter from a mirror. Okay, beta. After that, what they are telling? What is the nature of mirror? Calculate its focal length. Nature. What is the nature of mirror? And calculate its focal length. Understood? So this is exactly the information given. Now this is very high level information for us. This is exactly the most important information. Why? This is the most important. The real image is this much the size of object. So real image means height of image is 1 by 5 times height of object. Understood? Height of image is how many times height of object, beta? 1 by 5 times the height of object. So just once you have written like this, now what is our next shot? What we have to do here? So height of object is 5 times the height of image. Got it? So our work starts from here. Magnification is minus b by u and magnification formula is what, beta? Height of image by height of object. Anywhere we can place it for our simply. Our convenience is most important. So here we will write height of object is 5 times the height of image and height of image. This and this will get cancelled. Now what they are telling that the size of object is formed. The real image, the size of object is formed at a distance of 18 centimeter from the mirror. So that means what? Real image distance is given. Real image distance is given. That means what is given, beta? B given. B given as minus 18 centimeter. See, they told that is at a distance of this much from the mirror. So B is given. That means image distance is given. Image distance. So since it is in front means it is exactly going to be negative. So we have all the sorts of informations. Now here we can use this concept also. So beta minus b by u is equal to 1 by 5 is there. Correct? So can I say that minus b is equal to, here b is coming as how much? Minus 18. So here minus of minus 18 by u is equal to 1 by f. Is it okay? Or b value directly we are going to put because u must be negative. You must be negative. So what work is there? Is it exactly going to be, see here now, as height of image by height of object, everything is exactly going to be very calculated. One small putty mistake, the entire storyline will become different. Got it? So U is coming as how much bigger? Say. See, first one thing is there, is it correct first? This part is correct or not? Carefully design and inform me. Cutting is not going to work. Now must save it up. Carefully say the answer. See, height of image by height, V is exactly coming as minus 18. Understood not? So once V will be coming as minus 18, U will be exactly coming as what? First focus in U. If you will not be doing there, 100% you will do mistake. Here now everybody do mistake in this section. Because beta, U should come negative. Wherever you are solving, U is coming as minus 90 centimeter. Very good. But here only one thing I am asking from everybody. Will it be 1 by 5 or minus 1 by 5? Will it be 1 by 5 or minus 1 by 5? That's the biggest thing. Please kindly answer it very carefully because till now, whatever part we have done, we have written that part. Real is there. The answer here will be yes, it will be minus. Because why? Because here what word they have used? Real image. And for real image, magnification is minus. Understood? For real image, magnification is minus. Are you understanding it? Before now, whatever question we have solved, in all the question, what we have done, we have taken erect, virtual and erect. So since we have taken virtual and erect, the magnification was positive. Here magnification is negative. Understood now? And you know what? Most of the students, not most, more all the students now, they do this type of mistake if they don't have this information. So what is magnification here, beta? Magnification is negative. Understood? So here what will be there? Minus and minus. So U will be coming as minus 90 centimeter. Jackpot now. U also got, V also got. So minus 1 by 90, then minus 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by S beta. So it is coming minus 18 minus 90 by 0, 9872. 7, 9 ones are 9. Can anybody tell what is the focal here? Focal distance? Come on, find the focal distance here, children. Just 1 minute, I need to put my charge. Come on, see it. After solving, inform me what is it? Huh? 108. 5 times it, 5 and 40, 5 and 5, 50 times 1, 8, 0, 1. Yes, 15 times gone. Focal distance is coming as minus 15 centimeter. Okay. Everything people are doing, only one big mistake people are doing. That is magnification. Magnification will become negative when object is what better? Yes. So here this is exactly the most important thing. I think Vishwa you need to, Vishwa I'm telling Vishwa is correct. Yes, we check on it. Now beta image formation. So here now all preliminary informations are given to you. Now based on that will we be able to draw? So now look here. Sometimes they will ask drawing also, no? That draw the figure. For them it is not going to ask wait for lot. But for us it is problem. So now focal length is 15. So this distance is coming as 15. This work is over. So focal length is 15. Now with the help of all that values, now they can solve the question. Now object distance is coming as what? 90. and image distance is coming as 80. Understood? That means image is formed here. So image distance is coming 80 means image is formed between curvature and focus. By value itself, now because if see between focus and pole, if the distance is 15, that means curvature and focus also will be 15. That means total 15 plus 15 will become 30. 30 means object is much beyond curvature. And object distance is coming as how much? 90. Got it? Object is much beyond curvature. Understood? So if any object will do like this, it will retrace the path. So this will come. Understood now? So this is the arrow indication. It is going and it is returning back. So if any rays will pass the focus, it will exactly cross and retrace back because curvature point. Understood now? So this is the most important thing, and everybody must remember how to go with numericals. In very simple, very silent tone I have solved it. Okay. Thank you so much. So now look here, I hope you might have understood. So don't panic, just try to solve. All the informations, it will be there only. You need not to worry about like this work has to be done, that work has to be done. Only one simple technique is understand the locations. Understood? So what new things we have learned? Magnification is negative when object is real and inverted. Magnification is positive when object is what beta? Virtual and erect. And next important point is till curvature point, whatever image size will be there, it will be smaller than object size. But after curvature, when you will go, the size keeps on becoming enlarged. Understood now? So that is another important thing. माइक में प्रॉब्लम है बेटा, कल मेरा लैपटॉप में प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो दूसरे लैपटॉप से कर रही हूँ, ओल्ड लैपटॉप से यूज कर रही हूँ तो प्रॉब्लम है. That laptop is different here, mic is problem, many problems are there, but exams are there now. So first work is students comes first always, because बेटा अगर कोई डाउट है तो बच्चों को डाउट क्लियर होना जरूरी है ना. Understood, बेटा? You will be able to solve or not? Can I expect like okay, you people will be able to solve now? Mirror related, then lens we will do, refractive index we will do, Snell's law problems we will do, because there the problem is also a big problem. Okay. You are feeling problem in hearing. Now look at it. One question I am giving you. See, one question I am giving you. Others, my voice is creating problem here. Mic is creating problem. Can you tell me? Anyone, please? I hope you might have understood this one. Voice is creating problem because that sound problem is coming. Yesterday also I checked that problems. The problem is there. Shall we go for next question? So this is exactly some technical questions are there. The big questions today Mansi auntie is making them and she is going to send so that you can practice it. Okay. And another important point is key refractive index, sin I by sin R. So we are going to talk about refractive index. See, another important thing is about refractive index. First introduction I am giving you. After returning from school, electricity and magnetism part also I am going to explain. Biology and chemistry, with any doubt is there, that metallurgy also we discussed now. And all the material questions are there in your group. You need to just check that one out and study one day. Now listen here. The MCQs you finish. MCQs will be easy, and if any difficult questions are there, past year questions are there, you ask me also. Now with a refractive index, whenever we talk about refractive index, we know two things. The first important thing is that whenever medium change will be there, the light will bend. Understood? The light will either bend towards the normal or away from the normal. These are the two important situations. Either towards the normal or away from the normal. Then first question is where I can draw the normal. Where is the normal? See, you remember one thing. Normal is always perpendicular to the surface. Yes, with your listening, normal is always perpendicular to the surface. Now, beta, here now the most important thing which is accountable is optical density. Understood? What it is exactly accountable is optical density. So, what is the meaning of optical density and how it is different from other density? I hope, see, beta, understand that. Optical, the word optical here means what? Listen carefully. The word optical here means that it is connected to light and it is connected to what you call glass or those objects through which the light is traveling. Got it? So here, optical density of different object will be different. Understood not? Like air optical density. See, air is also made with particles, correct now? Air is also made with particles. This is first thing. Second important thing is that air will allow the light to travel in the form of straight line. So both wave also and straight line also. Correct now? Wave form also and straight line also. So when the light will be passing in air, it totally depends upon different angles, density of air. Understood not? That is also one of the most important accountability. We must understand that. Got it? Second important thing, beta, when any object will come in between the ray of light, and the light can do only two things. It will try to go inside the object. Understood or not? So when it will try to go inside the object, what will happen? When it will try to go inside the object, the speed of the light will change. On which phase? On the surface. Understood or not? Just like you are entering inside your friend's house. So when you are entering inside your friend's house, you will take permission. Correct now? And also depends. So optical density is the intrinsic property of the material because of which the object is exactly allowing the light to travel through them. Understood not? So here, if the object like walls do not allow light to pass through them, but glass is allowing the light to pass through them. Understood not? So the answer is yes, the glass is exactly allowing, but walls, this opaque object optical density will be so high that the light, rather than entering inside, it will be exactly reflected back. Every single ray of light follows the law of reflection. This I taught again and again I have informed you. Understood or not? Every single object follow the law of reflection. What is the law of reflection, beta? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. I hope everybody understood this one. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So these are certain points, certain things we must remember. Got it? So now in the next class we are going to discuss. We are going to keep it in here. Practice. After that, refractive index part in next. Other videos, like chapter videos already is there. I'll inform Mansi auntie to send you that. Okay? So that you can have practice. Materials are also there with you. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Huh? Whatever mode is there, but I need to return from school. I need to ask permission and return. How fast I'll return means I'll take the class. Okay. Bye everyone. Bye.